I'm just watching Daz games, him reacting. Oh my god, I love him. He's just so funny. Sorry, just checking I had the camera in the right place and you could see me. Now I'm just cleaning my kitchen, putting stuff away, putting stuff from recycling, you know, the normal stuff. Make sure everything's, you know, clean and washed and put away. But this is 2 videos. And then me watching The Click, having my dinner. I had soup and bread for my dinner. The soup I have is Scotch broth. Yummy, yummy. What's your favorite soup? I'm thinking about making my own soup at some point, but you know, this is me back from today, walking around all the shops to find something to make. This is my dinner. Went to all the shops and a Coke. Jumped out of the shower. My pretty red toenails. No other marks on my legs, just where my socks have been. So yeah, my little feet. $19.50 slippers. My cat. And I'm sitting down at my vanity to do my skincare. So I'm just wearing my night dress and my bed jacket. Find the thing I'm looking for in the drawers. So I found toner, it's rose toner, and just getting cotton pads to use to put on my face. So just finding it, and here it is. So just put it on a cotton pad. I've already scrubbed my face. I've exfoliated it and washed it. 2 different things. And then just using this to go over my skin, so it's nice and fresh and clean. And then after I use Olay, the pink one. It's just Olay is the one I have is a general moisturizer, but I got it anyway to my skin. So the same thing, I put it on a cotton pad over my face. So this is my dish list of today. I know I do a lot of dish cleaning. A baking video is coming soon. We're going to make a nice kind of pie, but you can guess if it's savoury or sweet. And just cleaning everything off. And then I've just been doing more sewing, so I've got a hole in my dress where I popped off a button, so I'm just sorting it out, and so my buttons are broken, so I'm replacing them with our buttons that was on the dress. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Thanks guys.